हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, जय स्वामीनारायण। आई एम राजेंद्र पटेल, 6 इंग्लिश मीडियम, सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स, चैप्टर 4, बेसिक ज्योमेट्रिकल आइडियाज़। फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट period we studied about fundamental of triangle and related exercise 4.4. Today we are going to study about the fundamental of quadrilaterals and related exercise with quadrilateral exercise 4.5. Friends, now points to remember in this exercise or in these points. It is important for exercise 4.5. First, quadrilaterals. Last period we study about triangle. Triangle is a polygon having 3 sides, and here quadrilateral means a quadrilateral is also polygon having 4 sides. As an example, consider quadrilateral ABCD. Friends, you can see here quadrilaterals has 4 sides and it is polygon. Friends, the symbol of triangle is like this. This is triangle ABC. So here the symbol of quadrilateral is like this, quadrilateral ABCD. We can give the name of quadrilateral from any point, but continuous point. Do not step. Friends, suppose quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral BCDA, then start from 3. Quadrilateral CDAB, then start from point D. Quadrilateral DABC, and last one type quadrilateral BCDA, then quadrilateral CDAB, then quadrilateral DABC. Now rotate clockwise from anti-clockwise. To start from it, A quadrilateral ADCB, quadrilateral DCBA, quadrilateral CBAD, and quadrilateral BADC, like this. Friends, here a figure of quadrilateral. You can see quadrilateral has 4 sides: side AB, side BC, side DC, and side DA. It is known as line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment CD, and line segment DA. Like this, the vertex of where 2 line segment is joined, this point is known as vertex. So here in quadrilateral ABCD, 4 vertex: point A, point B, point C, and point D. Like this, quadrilateral has 4 angles. Which are they? The first angle BAC, second angle ADC, third angle DCB, and 4 angle CBA. In short, angle A, angle D, angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. In short. Now, adjacent side. Adjacent side means nearby, pass wali. So look here, line segment AB and BC. One pair AB and BC. Second pair BC and CD. Third pair CD and DA, line segment CD and line segment DA. Fourth pair, line segment DA and line segment AB. Like this, 4 pair of adjacent side. Once again, line segment AB and BC. Start from BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, DA and AB. Now opposite side. तो फ्रेंड्स ऑपोजिट मीन्स इसके सामने वाले लाइक दिस. तो लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी एंड डी सी और ए डी के सामने है बी सी. तो लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी एंड सी डी 1 पेयर एंड सेकंड पेयर लाइन सेगमेंट ए डी एंड बी सी, ए डी एंड बी सी. फ्रेंड्स, we got only 2 opposite side, 2 pair of opposite side like this. Friends, adjacent angle means वो भी near by. Angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C, angle C and angle D, angle D and angle A. 1 pair. Angle A and B 1 pair, angle B and C second pair, angle C and D third pair, angle D and angle A fourth pair. So like this, adjacent angle, angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C, third pair angle C and angle D, fourth pair angle D and angle A. Opposite angle, we got opposite sides 2 pair like this. Opposite angle also 2 pairs, A and C opposite, D and B opposite. So first pair angle A and angle C, second pair angle B and angle D. Friends, this is the fundamental about a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 2 diagonals, the opposite point A and C. If I draw like this, AC and DB, AC and DB are diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now on based to these points, now we are going to study of exercise 4.5. Sum number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. So I am going to draw here. This is quadrilateral PQRS. PQR and S. Now draw its diagonals. Diagonals means the line segment who joint opposite angle. Opposite angle P and R. So this is our line diagonals first, and QS, this is our second diagonals. So now one diagonal is line segment PR and second is QS. Diagonals, name them. So we give name him is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior of exterior of the quadrilateral. So this is meeting point, suppose M. So we can say here M is interior part. M is in the interior part of diagonals PQRS. Now sum number 2. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN. Friends, this is quadrilateral KLM and N. First, what we have to write first? Answer of A. Answer of A is write 2 pairs of opposite side. Friends, this is quadrilateral KLMN, opposite side is line segment KL and NM, otherwise MN. And second opposite side is line segment KN and line segment LN. So first answer of A, line segment KL N, line segment KL and line segment NM. Other opposite side is KN, line segment KN and line segment LM. This is our first answer. Now second, two pairs of opposite angle. We write first opposite side, now opposite angle. So friends, opposite angle, angle K and angle M. Other opposite angle, angle N and angle N. So this is one pair, angle K and angle M. This is second pair, angle N and angle L. So answer of B, first pair, angle K and angle M. Second pair, angle N and angle L. Now the answer of C, two pairs of adjacent side. Friends, adjacent side. So in this figure we study about adjacent side. The adjacent side, line segment KL and line segment LM. One pair, line segment KL and line segment LM. This is one pair. Second pair, line segment NM, इसके पास वाली है, तो line segment KN. Now like this, two pair of adjacent angle. So answer of D, first pair, angle K and angle L, angle K and angle L. Second, angle L and angle M, angle L and angle M. So friends, today we study about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has four sides, four vertex and four angle and two diagonals. इसके बाद आगे हम टू टाइप्स की साइड, opposite side and adjacent side. Like this, two type of angles, opposite angle and adjacent angle. Friends, we study about the fundamental about quadrilaterals and exercise 4.5. Next period we start exercise 4.6. Jai Swami.